Hello my dear student, I welcome you all to the maths class. So in today's session we will be doing question number 1 from exercise 7.1 of chapter number 7 fractions, which is in page number 135 of math NCERT book. So question number 1 state that write the fraction representing the shaded portion. The word fraction, before starting the exercise, let me have a brief brush up of this concept called fraction. So fraction, when you were in class 4 onwards, you have discussed about, you have you are very much familiar with the term called part and whole, right? So fraction is nothing but a part of a whole. Now if I write a number like 2 by 3, right? So if I write a number 2 by 3, this type of a number is nothing but a fraction. So what is this fraction actually representing? So the 2 here above is the numerator, right? Then the 3 here is called denominator. So in a fraction, in every fraction, you are going to see this numerator and the denominator, right? So the denominator here 3 is actually representing the whole number. All right, so say you have a circle here, all right, and say for this circle is a pizza. You have ordered this pizza and you want to, and you have 3 friends in total. Okay, so now you have to, now 3 friends cannot take this uh, pizza all together. So of course you have to distribute. So you will cut this portion like this, so that each friend will get the pieces of the pizza. So one one here, one part is going to get by one friend. This part will be given to the another friend, and the remaining part will be eaten by the remaining friends. Okay, so this is the concept. Out of whole part, it has been distributed in a equal manner. So if suppose if I write 2 by 3, so that means the out of 3 part, 2 part is distributed or taken out from the whole. That is, from 3, 2 is taken out, only 1 is left out. So if I write 1 by 2, that means out of 2 part, 1 is removed and only 1 is left out. So basically, what is 1 by 2? 1 by 2 means half. So out of this, if I cut in the middle part, this will be half part, this will be the half of the full circle, right? So this is the basic concept of the fraction we have, which you have got when you were in the very low class, that is in class 4 onwards. You have got this idea. So in class 5 also you have discussed about the topic called parts and wholes. So now in this chapter, that is fraction exercise 7.1, we will be solving the question which is given. The question are very easy, just have to read the figure one by one. Okay, so the first question in the figure is, write the fraction representing the shaded portion. So according to the figure, I'm trying to make this figure also. Okay, so how many parts are there? What are the total parts out here? So 1 2 3 4. So out of 4 part, what part is covered, or the yellow shaded portion? Out of 4 part, that is, out of 4 part, you can see there are total 4 parts, and out of that 2 part is covered by the yellow shaded region. So if you have to represent this in a fractional form, then you will represent it as 2 by 4. That means out of 4, 2 part is shaded. Very simple. Similarly, in one square box, so it is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So 9 grids you can see in one square box. So over here also the yellow shaded regions are there. So this is what actually the figure is representing in question number 2, part number 2 of question number 1. So you have to find what fraction is representing the shaded portion. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that is 8 part are the shaded region out of 9, right? So out of 9 part, there are total 9 part you saw, that is whole is 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So out of 9, 8 region are 8 grids are actually covered with the yellow shaded region. So this is 8 by 9. Moving to the next, we have number 3. So in one rectangular box, you can see that how many ball are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 balls are there. 1. So let me make a little bigger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 balls are there, and 4 part are covered with the yellow region, yellow color. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what are the number of parts here? The number of parts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And out of 8, 4 part are covered with the yellow shaded region, right? So this will be actually representing 4 by 8. Alright, let's head forward to the next one. That is part number 4. So again here also you can see what are the total number of the part. The total number of the parts we have is 1, 2, 3, 4, and out of 4, 1 part is actually covered by the yellow shaded region. So it will be represented as 1 by 4. So 1 is the shaded region here. Yes, out of how many? Out of 4 part. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is how we do the sums. Okay, let's do number 5 also. So here we have part 5. So you can see easily that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total 7 parts are there, and out of 7, 3 parts are colored with the yellow region, or the 3 parts are shaded region. So the fraction here will be 3 by 7. Okay, number 6, you are going to do it yourself. Number 6, you are going to do it yourself. Number 7 also you'll do it yourself. Number 8, I am doing directly number 9 and 10. So I am doing number 9. So number 9 we have is flower petals. We have 5, 6, 7, 8, like this, right? And let me color with green. So 1 here we have, 2, 3 and 4. So there were how many? There was 8 total parts, and out of which 1, 2, 3, 4 are the shaded region. Yes, so it will be 4 divided by 8. The fraction which will be representing in this case is 4 divided by 8. Alright, let's do the last one, number 10. Okay, so here also the same thing is applied. So it is colored like this. Okay, it is covered with the red portion here, like this fully. And now you have to tell me what fraction is actually covered with this. So you can easily see here that it is 2 parts. So this is one part and this is another part. So there are total 2 parts, and out of this 2 part, 1 part is actually covered with the red portion, this red portion, right? And 1 part is not covered with the red one, that is it is white. So of course the fraction will be the fraction here it will be representing as 1 divided by 2. Okay students, so I hope you people have understood this. So the sums are very easy. The sums which we have done from exercise 7.1 question number 1 are very easy. Just you have to note down what part is actually the shaded portion. Alright, so this much for today. In our next class we will proceed with the next sum. Till then, stay safe and healthy. Thank you everyone.